lobby, except for we're not a hotel, we're an Airbnb. And they pick us up at 8. It's like 8:31 and we like keep talking to random people and saying, can you call this number? Where are we? We don't know what our bus looks like or anything. We're going on a tour. Anyway, I'm stressed out. Our bus still isn't here. It was 15 minutes that we waited, but we're on the bus. We're good. We just gotta let everything roll off our backs. They had us put these fancy hats on so we know who's in the group, and I think we look pretty dang good. So it's almost time to board, but I had to get a smoothie. Gosh, are you happy? Here we are. We're not at Monkey Island yet, but we are at Orchid Island, and it's pretty beautiful here. There are lots of sculptures, there's flowers, there's gardens.
And we can see the bear show.
Yes, and there's going to be a bear show, apparently. Whatever that means. Oh, is this safe? This music, getting me pumped for the show. It's gonna be an incredible show, I bet. Chilling at the beach until our lunch is made for us at the restaurant over there. And I'm digging this tour. I really am.
Where's the other seashell that you found? That I found?
Right here.
Oh, but the other one.
We are here at Monkey Island, and there are monkeys everywhere. We did find one monkey, and he let us eat, or he let us just give him a peanut, and he ate it right out of our hand. He was very sweet. He had like a little droopy eye. Probably had cancer or something, but he was sweet.
Like, I put a peanut in my hand, and she just grabbed it out of my hands too. Give him the crumb, Mom. And here we are at the other animals, ostrich and reindeer.